The 22 insurance companies in Uganda believe they can better handle business within the country's oil and gas sector if they join forces. But despite local insurers coming together, the high risks associated with the petroleum industry mean Ugandan companies still can't provide enough insurance coverage for the multi-million-dollar investment.
The issue of our capacity versus what will be required, I think I will have to be very honest with you. It will basically be less than 5% of the total capacity required in the oil sector, yes. Internationally, the capacity also available internationally is quite limited.
So the group of local players, Uganda Reinsurance, are consulting with their counterparts on the continent who already have experience in managing petroleum resources. A local legislation that governs Uganda's oil and gas sector also helps to protect local insurance companies from foreign competition. Under Uganda's laws, oil and gas companies operating in the country cannot work with foreign insurers without the involvement of local players. This means international insurance firms will have to help build the capacity of the Ugandan insurers to cover risks associated with the oil and gas sector. Uganda Reinsurance says it will only approach external insurance companies once it had exhausted its own capacity.
100% of the risk, these oil risks, will come through the pool. We will retain what members of the pool are able to absorb as a retention, and from here approach the international markets and reinsure outwards.
And foreign insurers will have to pay then a commission that will then be paid back to the government for the development of the oil industry. Uganda has an estimated 3.5 billion barrels in oil deposits, with production expected to start in 2017. The oil and gas sector is set to boost the East African country's economy and double its GDP. Among the multinational oil companies that stand to gain are Total, Tullow Oil and Sinnock, which have already been licensed by Uganda. Michael Baleke, CCTV, Kampala, Uganda.